Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my email list. You're not going to regret this. Hey, this is a proven systems that you can make money from your home every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. However, you've got to set it all up. You got to make it all work and connect it all. And that's where I come in to help you to be able to do that. Now, just to the left, you're going to see another tab that's going to be open for you. And that is called Wealth Affiliate. Now, in Wealth Affiliate, it's absolutely free. Along with this down here, you're going to be able to go to my Facebook page, which is absolutely free, and when I'll be able to give you really good content in order to how to build your business online. Now, Wealth Affiliate is going to be part of a group that I'm associated with. You're going to be part of my team, and I'm going to help you go through the stages of building your business online for whatever niche you want to do. And let me tell you guys, there's 1,000 different ways that you can make money online. And I call it multiple streams of income, because you can make money while you're sleeping. You can make money while you're working, and you can make money while you're on vacation. And so why not do that? And the opportunity is endless. Think about it. How many people are in the United States today or in the world? It's 1.2 million people that are on Facebook. And I think there's 7.1 billion people in the world. You get to market to them. So this opportunity is just phenomenal right now. So make sure you go ahead and get your affiliate link set up directly into Wealth Affiliate. Get signed up for it. It's absolutely free. It's not going to cost you anything. There is a cost to it down the road though, and it's well worth the cost because it's $49 a month and that's it. And that $49 gives you hosting to build your website for that, and it gives you email a keyword research tool that's way worth the money. Now, I've seen other ones out there that cost you about $150 a month that give you less information than what this one will. So let me tell you, it's well worth it. I'm going to go through how to set up your profile just below here, and make sure you go ahead and sign up for my Facebook page, because that's the only way I can really communicate to you and me directly is through my Facebook. I can't message you and send you off of Wealth Affiliate because it's not my system. I'm a part of an affiliate just like you will be when you join the Wealth Affiliates program, but it's got really good training through it. You want to take all of that training and make sure that you get everything, set up. And then I'm here to help you bridge that gap between the technology and the training to put it all together so that you can create multiple streams of income, that you can make money every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now, I'll have another video below here to how to set up your profile within Wealth Affiliate. So make sure you stay on this page. Don't close it down, but go to the next page, which is over there, and go ahead and sign up for the Wealth Affiliate program. Looking forward to working with you guys, and message me when you get set up so I know that I can work with you. And I got all kinds of special goodies for you. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.